So this is the VIP suite here at Harrah Resort Casino located in Kansas City, Missouri. So I'm gonna give you a quick room tour and then we're gonna come back to this table and have a little chat about this room. Okay, you enter the room, you have an open floor plan. You have to my left, the kitchenette, got your dinette table with your suede chairs, and you have your couch, coffee table, entertainment stand, TV, 2 lamps, 2 end tables. There's your mini fridge right there, and you have your coffee maker and your ice buckets. Come on into the bedroom, 1 love seat, 2 dressers, 2 lamps with USB and electrical outlets on them, 1 king size bed, and your TV and your TV stand with more storage space underneath. And bear with me, I haven't looked in none of these things yet, but that's what you get down there. More drawer space, pretty sure. Then you come to your closet, ironing board, iron, luggage rack. Come into the bathroom. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 mirrors. His and her sinks. Got a little powder area here. Your toilet and your shower. So let me go back to this table over here. We got some talking to do about this room. Okay, so let's have a little talk about this room. The best way for me to describe this room, because I'm kind of at a loss of words, but if I was to try to describe this room, I would say if 1960 and 1970 had a baby, it would have been the VIP suite at Harrah Resort Casino in Kansas City, Missouri. That's the best way for me to describe it. I mean, there's a mixture of a 60s theme and a 70s theme. I don't think this is what the concept of the room was supposed to be, but that's what it ended up as. Everything from these suede blue chairs that are at the dining room table to the lamps that are in the living room. It looks like something straight out of the 60s. I keep trying to open that cabinet because I think that there's some black and white TV down there and some 8-track player and a record player that's sitting in there that I'm trying to get to for some reason. Every Harrah room I stay at, even the one in Laughlin, man, they all look dated for some reason. I don't think the one in Vegas is like that anymore. I think they just recently renovated it. But man, I kind of knew going into this what I was getting into. The only reason I didn't complain is because the room was comped. And I'm only staying here one night. Forget all that. Let's talk about something more important here. The cleanliness of this room. Okay, if the room was clean, then I would, I could kind of look beyond some of the outdatedness of the room itself. But this room is filthy. I hate to even say that because I really don't give negative room reviews, or whatever. I feel bad about it. I don't know why, but I do. We're probably gonna sleep on top of the sheets tonight, but it's a good thing we're only staying one day. We're out of here first thing in the morning. Simple housekeeping wasn't done in this room, like around the doors and stuff. I mean, there's so much dirt and grime. And the bathroom around where the tissue dispenser is, there's some stuff. I don't even know what to call this stuff, but there's some liquid or something there that should have been wiped up or cleaned. Yes, this place is dated, very dated. A little bit of cleanliness goes a long way. There is no way I would have paid for this room. If I did, I would have been out there talking to somebody. There's no way, man. This room's not clean at all. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure they got better rooms in this resort. I seen the presidential suite when I walked by it, but I can imagine what that looks like. If this is the VIP suite, it's like, oh man, I mean, I would really hate to see what that looks like in that room. Again, this is a very short room tour. I've always felt like if I don't have nothing nice to say, I'd rather not say nothing at all. So I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I can't recommend anybody to stay at the Harrah Resort and Casino here in Kansas City, Missouri. Again, the room was free. Take it for what it's worth.